So if you are from Nigeria and you have been doing all this airdrop like dogs, like tap swap, like hamster combat, and you actually eventually receive your money to your Tonkeeper wallet. So how do you actually withdraw this money out of Tonkeeper wallet to do P2P to actually convert it to Naira? I'm going to show you in this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can convert your Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet to Bitget for you to actually do P2P to withdraw your money to your local currency. So I will actually encourage you to watch this video from beginning to end because it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do that. So for you to do that, the first thing you have to do is to ensure you actually sign up for Bitget account. So I'm going to drop the link to Bitget inside the video description if you have not signed up for this particular exchanger. So after you have signed up for this particular exchanger and you have verified your identity, you are going to click on this asset option over here. Click on this asset option. As you can see, you are going to see the asset you actually have. So as you can see, I have core, I have solana, I have bdg, and I have ton. So my current ton is about 2.8. I'm going to show you exactly how you can add ton to this particular exchanger. So you are going to click on this add fund. Click on add fund over here. Click on add fund and you are going to choose the deposit crypto option. Click on deposit crypto option. The next thing you have to do is to click on this search button because you have not used this changer. So you are going to search for ton from the option. As you can see, we have ton over here. Click on ton for us to actually get our wallet address. So on this platform, you can use different network. You can use ton, you can use beam20, you can use ERC20, but I will not recommend the beam20 or ERC20 because they are very expensive. So you are going to choose ton network. Choose ton network for you to get your wallet address. So I'm going to to actually see what I'm going to do next. So as you can see, we actually have our wallet address we are going to use for the next thing we are going to do inside this tutorial. So we are going to go back to our Tonkeeper wallet. Then you are going to click on this Toncoin. Click on Toncoin and you are going to click on send. Click on send. So we have to actually paste our wallet address and our tag or memo. Let's go back to Bitget. So we are going to copy our wallet address, then come over to Tonkeeper wallet, then paste our wallet address. So as you can see, this is our wallet address. So this comment section is very important. So although it might not be very much important, but you can actually add this. Just like when you are transferring from one bank to another bank, they are actually going to ask you to add description, like maybe money for freelancing or any kind of description you actually want. So for this purpose, I'm going to add maybe Toncoin for this purpose. So it depends on the one you actually want to add. It's not really much important like that. So you are going to click on continue over here. Click on continue and choose the amount of ton you want to transfer. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be transferring 1 ton to show you exactly how you can do that. Click on continue over here. Then as you can see, so we have our wallet address and we have amount we actually want to transfer, which is 1 ton, which is equivalent to $6.58. So and this is the comment we actually choose, which is Toncoin. So and the transaction fee is going to cost us 0.01, which is very cheap compared to using USDT. So I'm going to actually send this particular fund, but I'm going to actually use my fingerprint to confirm this particular transaction. As you can see, the transaction is sending out. I'm going to pause this video, actually wait for it to actually receive it in my Bitget account, then actually show you the transaction details.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about a minute, so as you can see, the transaction is successful. So let me go back to my Bitget account to show you the transaction details. So as you can see, let me go back completely, go back to the home page. As you can see, we have 1 deposit received. I'm going to click on it to show you. It is very simple and very straightforward. So all you have to do is to follow up with this tutorial. So as you can see, it was successful. 1 ton was successfully deposited to my Bitget account. And if you actually want to withdraw this money out to your local bank, maybe you want to actually receive it here in Nigeria, so I have a video for you to actually how you can do P2P on Bitget. So I'm going to link the video inside the video description. Ensure you actually watch the video. It's going to show you exactly how you can do P2P on Bitget to actually get your money here in Naira. I hope this video actually help you out one way or the other. So if you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you are going to be the first one to watch my video and actually implement what I'm actually teaching you here on this channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.